Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlogs!
Kumusta ka kayong lahat?
Hello! Kumusta? Good afternoon to all! Nasa kwarto kami ngayon. Kasama ko si James at saka si Junjun. Come here! Sit with me here. Ayan. Nasa kwarto kami ngayon. Ayan, saka si Junjun.
Alright.
Yes. Kanina lumabas kami. Pumunta kami sa Chicken Star para bumili ng manok. We bought manok. Right? We like the chicken.
Yeah. It was hot though.
It was hot outside.
No, the chicken was hot.
It's spicy. Gusto ni
It was
James
good,
yung
though.
oh yeah, it was good, the spicy flavor.
Yes.
Yes. Hindi kami nag-order sa Jollibee. Gusto niya yung chicken na Chicken Star. Bumili na lang kami. Sabi niya sa akin, wag muna akong magluto. Kaya umalis kami kanina at nagpunta kami doon. We're riding a tricycle.
Yeah.
Yun nga, sumakay nga kami ng tricycle. You like riding tricycle?
Like I said,
Yeah.
it gets you from point A to point B.
Yeah, and sometimes the other tricycle, they have a cover or tricycle door. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. At saka hindi naman na mahal yung singil ng mga tricycle dito. You pay 100 pesos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung 100 pesos na yon, round trip na yon, papunta at pabalik. Hinintay na kami ng driver. Tapos inuwi na kami dito sa apartment. At yun. Mas gusto ni James yung manok sa Chicken Star. You like the manok, you like the chicken in the Chicken Star instead of Jollibee.
Yes. I love the chicken star. Well, it's 5-star.
Yeah.
It's called 5-star
Yeah.
now.
They changed the name.
Yeah.
It's 5-star now. It's not Chicken Star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5-star.
Yeah. Then the owner in there, she remember you last 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2023 is when I went over there.
Yes, and we bought the manok.
Yeah.
Then the name of the chicken is Chicken Star.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nung bumili kami doon, 2023 yun, nung nandito din si James. So bumili kami doon ng manok nga. 2023, kaya nakilala siya nung nagtitinda. Nakilala siya doon. Yeah. Masarap naman yung original at saka spicy. At ito, nandito nga kami sa kwarto ngayon. Katatapos namin na kumain. At nagluto ako ng gulay. Yung mga tulad ng ampalaya, okra, yung talong, at tapos kalabasa. Ginisa ko lang sa bawang sibuyas at nilagyan ko ng yung chicharon. Dinurog-durog ko yung chicharon. Gusto ko yung ganon. At ito si Junjun, minsan nagpapabebe talaga to. Pabebe. Ayan. At nanonood siya sa kanyang tablet. At si James, ayan, ganyan yung gusto niya. Relax. You like relax here. Relax in the Philippines.
Yeah, I'm relaxing here.
Yes. And then Later, what you do later?
What you talking about? Later on, like what?
This afternoon.
I don't know what we doing. Maybe relaxing some more.
Oh, that's good. Relaxing some more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi, sa labas niyan, tong oras na to, napakainit. Kasi nga, summer na nga. Napakainit na. Kaya, hindi niya mapigilan na hindi i-on yung aircon. So you don't feel the hot in here,
Yeah.
and pinagpapawisan siya dahil sa sobrang init sa labas.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the kids, they like the chicken too, the spicy and original flavor, because it has already sauce.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Is the school closing?
I think Michelle, because she go to school today. They have a last test, fourth quarter test.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and Alfred no school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Louis, I think Louis, he go to school this week or tomorrow, like that. Yeah, it's almost. Michelle told me her school is up to Thursday.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Yung mga bata, malapit na yung end of school year nila. Wala nang pasok niyan. Nasa bahay na silang lahat niyan. Katulong ko na sila sa mga gawain dito sa bahay. Yeah, the school year is almost.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, almost gone, after the test. Then, no more. Oh, yun lang. Salamat sa panonood. Bisi, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Salamat.